There we go.
Okay. So there's really nothing here besides, clean it up, right? And one thing that you had a problem with before was you didn't understand how to turn the water. So there's a water pump switch here. And this is the only switch when you clean it that you'll need to worry about.
Okay.
And you need to think of this as you have to turn it on in order to let the water flow. Okay?
Yeah. Sorry for the last time.
That's okay. That's
I've
okay.
never even really been inside an RV
fine.
until...
That's why I'm explaining it to you. Okay. Don't ever try to turn on the generator, which is this button and that button over there, because it's plugged into the house and you're going to blow the inverter. I just had to tell you that. I even tell guests that. Okay?
Which switch is for the water again?
Right here. It's
Are
a
they
water
lit?
pump.
Okay.
Okay?
Alrighty.
That's really it.
Do I need to worry about any of these switches or anything?
So the only thing with this, you can record. Are you
Yeah,
recording?
it's recording.
Okay.
I think it is, yeah.
And you may want to use the video. I don't know if you're going to remember just audio, but this is to turn on the lights inside. This is for outside, but I don't think you're going to need that. You don't need to touch anything really here. If you ever see this light off, this is the switch that even if it's plugged in the house, it has to be on for everything from here back to work, right?
Okay.
Okay, but you don't have to worry about that really. All right, video what I'm saying. So this is obviously where the sewage gets dumped. It's all connected here. Okay. You wouldn't have to really deal with a lot of this because it's just going to stay connected. This is where the water goes into the RV.
Okay.
And this has to be on in order for you to, you turn on that water pump switch, you got to turn this on so the water's actually flowing. Okay?
Okay.
Now, you can stop that. All right. And make sure you video me doing it. All right. So, in order to dump the sewage and like the shower water and the sink water, you have to flush the tanks. Okay?
Okay.
So the first thing you need to do, make sure that this is off, because a guest might leave it on. And then you have to switch the hose from here, which feeds the camper, to here to where it flushes the tank, the black one. So I'm going to do that now. Okay. And one of the reasons I have this wrench here is because sometimes it takes a little bit more muscle to spin it. There you go. So it's typical, like you turn it to the left to unscrew it, and then here you turn it to the right. Now you can turn this one the opposite direction while you're trying to tighten it on,
right,
so that it gets on there quicker. And if you need the wrench is right there. Okay. So now that that's connected, actually you turn the water on. All right. And then this is the toilet water. It's pushing the gunk out of the toilet. Okay. And then once you see it flowing like that and it's clear, then you can take the shower and the sink water out. That's what the right one is.
Okay.
Okay. And you just wait till it's clear. It goes down and you know it's just the hose water going through. You'll see it's backing up right now.
Yeah.
So just keep recording. It's starting to dump. So you can tell they use a lot of the shower and they use a lot of the sink water. See, now it's going down. Okay. And essentially what you do, once it gets, and you know it's just like clear water, which it's about there, you push this back in. This is closing the tanks, and then you go over here and you turn off the water. Okay? And then you come back here and you put the hose back on the other side. Okay? So the same same thing. Okay. It'll take some getting used to, but once you get it, it's like. Now, do not forget to turn off the water. Like that last step I showed you, turn off the water, because you keep it on, it'll flood the inside.
Okay.
All right. So be super cognizant of that.
I'm gonna bring a note to
Okay,
put on the inside
alright.
of the door whenever I leave.
All right. So if you're wondering why water's not flowing, you gotta again make sure that this is on. Right. So it's on. But the other thing that you need to check is to make sure that this is set to city water. You see how it tells you what? So blue is this way, red city water. City water means it's connected to the faucet, or the faucet to the house, and it's providing city water to the RV, right?
Right.
So as long as it's set to that and this is on, you'll have water flowing in there.
All right.
All right.